Okay, here we are, just outside of Charlotte, North Carolina, doing the Whitewater River Series. I'm gonna do the 8-mile run today, and let's see how it goes. All right, we're ready. It's been raining for the last 3 days. This place is absolutely beautiful. It's everything. Looks like it's gonna be everything I want to see in a trail race. Whew. This is awesome. Look at that. All right, let's do it. I got 6 minutes to start here, and thought we'd get some trail time in. Whew. Let's do it. Here we go. I'm going out with a 3-way right on here. All right, ready? Doesn't look much better than that, right? Downhill start, so that's pretty good. Like that.
Starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, here we go. Here we go, baby. Woo. Wow. Out of the forest. Oh, look at this. It's the craziest thing I've ever run on. Oh my God, it's so awesome. I don't even know how far I am. 2.6. Let's do it. Whew. Okay, hit the 3-mile mark. 14-minute pace. Oh boy. Whew. KP. Okay, we're back in it. Let's go. Kind of hard to film in here. You really got to pay attention. A lot of toad catchers. And wow, it's really wet. It's really humid. A lot of kids have passed me. A lot of young people. I could tell you right now, I haven't finished, but this is awesome. Sign up, do it if you're watching this. Woo! Let's go. Downhill, baby. Okay, wow. I switched where I'm now on the 8-mile track, and I am literally by myself. I haven't seen anybody, but I do have the arrows. So I'm on the right trail. But let's go. I'm 4.5 miles in. Yep, 4.5 miles in. I have no idea what a pace is, but we just did the longest uphill. It was a total killer. But the 5 miles had to turn off. The 5 milers had to turn off, and I'm gonna keep going. 8 miles, baby. Let's do it. It's awesome. Woo! Look at this. Wow. Gotta watch where you're stepping, baby. Woo! Let it roll downhill. Woo! I just got a call from Big Mama. I had phone reception in the airplane flying over. We're still in the modern city. Unbelievable. Let's go. Whew. Okay, just got passed up there. But I just got finished, baby. Let's get this going. Woo! It's awesome. Okay, 5.5 miles. 1 hour, 12 minutes. Whew. This is hard, but man, it's so fun. Whew. Look at how beautiful. I've never ever ran in something like this. This is something that you say, I want to do a trail race. This is it. Wow, it's beautiful. All by myself. I don't know if we get to a clearing or not. But that's a big old lake out there. Let's go. Okay, I'm all the way at the ridge of the mountain. Oh my God. I had to walk that whole section. But we're at 6.5, a little over 6.5 miles. Whew. Come on, baby. Let's work. I think I got somebody behind me. I don't know. I think I can hear footsteps. So let's go. Keep pushing. Whew. I love it. It's so beautiful. Let's go. Great job.
In the 41 to 50 age group in third place, Dylan Ayala. Second place, Tom Long. And first place, David Gebhardt.
Sorry about that.
And through the finish line, in our men's 61 and older division, in third place, we have a John Schott. In second place, a Gregory Fox. Make your way up. We've got some prizes for you.
All right. Great job, man. Did it?
Snuck in under the wire.
Yay.
Second and third.
All right.
We couldn't beat Bill Showers. He ran like a 7-minute pace.
Yeah. Well, we did it. What did we do? All right. Thank you.
Good run.
Team Wayne, can I get a picture with you?
Sure.
All right. We don't have to get on the podium, but.
All right.
All right. Woo. We did it.
We did it.
Second
yeah.
and third. Wow.
You just got to keep
Nice.
going, right?
Thank
Doesn't
you.
help if there's only 3 people
Nice
in our
to
age
meet you.
group.
Yeah.
Take care, buddy. Have a good Sunday.
Yep. Okay. Well, there we finished it up. And, wow, I didn't realize it. I don't know, my GPS must have been off or something, but I was a lot closer than I thought and ended up finishing and got 3rd place. All I had to do was finish and I got 3rd place. That's awesome. I appreciate that. So, no, it was a great time. I got a float on amber ale, and you know, that first beer right after a race is always the best beer, and super awesome. If you're still here and you stayed along this long, I appreciate you. Keep running, keep pushing. Grandpa life, running for those who can't. God bless America. And this is Training with Johnny Schott. Woohoo! Nice.